Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, a couple of updates. The S2000 now has a stage 4 clutch masters. I'm gonna go ahead and put the footage of it. A couple things I wanted to talk about before the video starts. Actually, I didn't really see a lot of like detailed clutch videos on the S2000, so I did kind of want to film as much as possible, you know, so you guys could really see what was going on. I did not really mention things like torque specs. I think I forgot to mention some socket sizes and stuff like that, but alright guys, now without further ado, let's get to the S2000 clutch install. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take off this intercooler piping section. Alrighty, intercooler piping is off. Now we're going to take off the serpentine belt. You need a 14mm. You're going to turn this counterclockwise. After you take off the serpentine belt, you're going to want to undo this top, and then you're going to want to loosen the bottom one so you can move this all the way to the right, and all the way in the back you're going to see the starter bolt, and you need about 2 feet in extension to reach all the way back there. Alright y'all, so now we're going to take off the shift knob. We're going to use a 14mm right here. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take off this middle console. You just pull on the ends right here and they have little tabs on them. There's also 2 wiring harnesses right here that you have to unplug. Now you're just going to use a screwdriver to pop this up. There's actually 4 tabs. There's triangles to indicate where the tabs are. You just put the flathead in between the rubber and the plastic and you just pop it right off. So after you take off the boot, there's a grommet here. You're going to pull on the tab right here until all 3 pop off. After that comes off, you're going to see 3 10mm bolts. And there's also going to be a spring in here as well. Go ahead and put that aside.
Flipping fuck.
What?
Dude, check it out.
Alright.
Yeah, because of the pressure in the clutches.
Okay. Now, gotta disconnect all those fucking connectors.
Oh yeah. S2000 work. Alright, let's get down here.
Fucking.
Gotta take them dry shed bolts off. Ah, time to bring the big guns out. Big guns save lives, man. Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to turn it on.
Yes, sir. We already got 3 of them out. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And we're getting to this one. Yeah, that's... Yeah, lift it up. Whew. Just enough to get the wheels off the ground.
That's all I'm asking.
Oh, there we go. Spin that around to the new ones. Slip that T40 right on there. Nice little chip. There she is. All right, last 2. That's all the front ones. And then we just got these back ones here. Take these last 2 off. Get it on there. Oh. Little tap-roo. There we go.
Want to pass it over here?
God damn, bullshit life. Just Cars breaking all the time. Including mine. See that? We have to get in here. We're gonna remove these 4 10mm bolts here. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that'll disconnect it from the chassis, the boot cover. After we disconnect those 4, we'll leave the bracket on until the end. So we'll take those 4 off, and then we'll start removing everything from the casing to the engine. So we're gonna take off all these suckers. Good luck. We're gonna see if this does it. Oh goddamn!
Oh. We'll just start getting these bolts. That's one.
That's one bolt off. Get the next one off. We'll see if we can squeeze past this return line. All right, now we got that loose. We just loosen it up with the fingertips. That's another one, 17. And then we're gonna move to the other side, the easy ones to get to. Oh. Alright. Another 17. Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's the first time this transmission's ever been fucking
breaking that fresh transmission.
That fresh Loctite from Honda.
The only ones we gotta take off right now are gonna be these 2, which are 14s, and this one that's another 14. And when we do that, the weight will drop on this jack. Once it drops on this jack, we'll drop it down a little bit. Transmission should fall just enough for us to get up in there and take those trans bolts out. Get old trusty 14 here. Try it on real quick. Chitty bang, that's the one. That's one. That's all of them. Transmission should start falling in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh yeah. You can see it separating now. Oh, that's everything right there. So now what we'll do, leave that up there. Come around to the front. Reach our hands up in here. And we cannot get them. Nope. That's the bolt we gotta get up in there. I don't know if you can see it way in there. That's okay, yes, that's that firewall. So what we're gonna have to do is drop this subframe a little bit. We're gonna loosen up. Let's check it out. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Looks like 17s or 19s. We got the same 3 on the other side. We'll take these off, take these off, and then this one we'll just loosen up as we go, little by little, and it'll help bring the subframe a little bit more down to get that extra clearance we need.
19.
So these 2 are 19s, and got one 18. So we remove both the rear ones on both sides, both the center ones on both sides, and the front ones we just have them loose, just in case so the subframe doesn't fall. Got a trusty jack there with a sketchy brick.
Because safety is #1 priority.
Safety. Oh,
hey, don't spill the beer. Don't. God damn it.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna put it behind.
So we took off these top ones up here after dropping subframe down. So now all we gotta do left is remove the remaining section of this harness. So right now I'm using a flathead, taking off all these clip connections right here. All right, we got one side off. All right, that's off. Move that out the way, and that's it. Transmission is out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Get the shit.
That slipping clutch. What? Gotta reload the clip.
Being like way lighter than the AP2s.
There she is.
Is it light?
Huh?
Is it pretty light? You want me to pull you?
No.
I'll pull you, wait.
Wait.
God. Alright, y'all, so we just got the pressure plate, flywheel, and clutch off. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna go ahead and take the flywheel to a machine shop to get it resurfaced because I will be using the OEM flywheel. We have the grease. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. There it is. I'm gonna hold it. Mm-hmm. Look at the finished product. Alright, so we're about to put the transmission back. Fuck yeah. Alright guys, well. Alright, so that was it for this video. Just finished up the stage 4 clutch masters install on a Turbo S2000. Sick. Now the next car gonna be this little something right here. There's a little something. She's a fixer-upper, and I'm gonna fix this bitch up. She's not gonna be maybe not that pretty, but she's gonna be pretty fast. We already have the turbo kit. All we need is the Honda downpipe and dump tube injectors as well. Maybe a clutch, dude. I want to get one like yours now. Yeah, you get a fucking stage 4. One more thing that I forgot to mention: like, comment, and subscribe for more, because there is definitely gonna be much more of this bad boy and that little bad boy Integra over there. All right guys, well thanks for watching. I remember, stay tuned.